To throw a fun Super Bowl party. Put out some Super Bowl-themed decor. For example, decorate a green felt tablecloth to look like a football field. Hang up pennants for your favorite team. Or cut out squares of AstroTurf to use as coasters. Serve snacks and drinks that show your football fan spirit, like football-shaped cheese balls, or cocktails that are popular in your team's hometown. When you're not busy watching the game, do some fun activities with your guest. For instance, you could do face painting with your team's colors, play football trivia, or have a game of Super Bowl commercial bingo. You can even make party favor bags so your friends can take home a few special memories from the party. Include things like toy footballs, plastic whistles, and lanyards with your team's colors.